Do you ever wonder what it takes to get fit and stay healthy without spending hours in the gym every day? Well, it's not as hard as you might think. In today's video, we'll dive into 5 simple yet effective daily fitness habits that can help improve your long-term health, boost your energy, and keep your weight in check. These habits are backed by research and are easy to incorporate into your routine. No need for extreme workouts or drastic changes, just consistent, sustainable habits that make a big difference over time. Stick with me until the end to discover how these habits can transform your life. Let's get started. 1. Daily movement, not just a workout. When you think about fitness, you probably picture high-intensity workouts, hours at the gym, or long runs. But here's the secret: daily movement is key to maintaining good health. Rather than focusing on intense workouts every single day, try to make movement a regular part of your daily routine. This doesn't mean working out for hours, but instead, getting up and moving consistently throughout the day. A simple 30-minute walk 5 to 6 days a week can do wonders for your body. Whether it's a walk around your neighborhood or even a quick stroll at lunch, just getting your body moving helps boost metabolism, keeps your muscles strong, and keeps your joints from stiffening up. When you make movement a regular habit, it helps you avoid a sedentary lifestyle, which can lead to a number of health problems like weight gain and poor cardiovascular health. But it's not just about physical benefits, it also boosts your mental well-being by helping you stay energized and focused. The key to making this habit stick is consistency. Don't worry about how hard you work out, but focus on staying active every day. Even small bursts of movement, like taking the stairs or doing a few stretches while watching TV, add up over time. Plus, the more you move, the more you'll enjoy the physical and mental benefits, such as reduced stress and better overall energy. So, instead of stressing over an intense workout routine, just focus on moving more throughout the day. 2. Strength training. It's no secret that strength training is an essential part of any fitness regimen, but it's especially important as you get older. As we age, our bodies naturally lose muscle mass, which can slow down our metabolism and make it harder to maintain a healthy weight. Strength training helps counteract this by building and maintaining muscle mass, which in turn keeps your metabolism active even when you're at rest. You don't need to hit the gym every day to get the benefits of strength training. Incorporating 2 sessions per week into your routine is all it takes to see noticeable improvements. Focus on exercises that target your major muscle groups: legs, back, chest, and arms. These exercises can be as simple as squats, push-ups, and lunges, or you can use dumbbells and resistance bands to increase the challenge. Strength training not only helps build lean muscle mass, but it also strengthens your bones, improves joint health, and increases overall strength. What's great about this habit is that it doesn't just make you look good, it improves how you feel by increasing functional strength, making daily tasks easier and reducing the risk of falls or injuries. Plus, strengthening your muscles helps with posture and balance, which are often overlooked in traditional cardio exercises. The best part? Strength training has long-term benefits. The more you stick with it, the more muscle you build, which leads to a higher resting metabolic rate. This means your body burns more calories even when you're not working out. So, even on your off days, your muscles are helping you stay lean and strong. 3. Proper hydration. We all know that drinking water is important, but did you realize just how crucial it is for your fitness and overall well-being? Staying properly hydrated is essential for keeping your energy levels high, especially if you're working out regularly or just staying active throughout the day. Drinking water helps with digestion, keeps your skin glowing, and aids in nutrient absorption. It's the foundation of good health, and you don't want to overlook it. A good habit to start is drinking a glass of water first thing in the morning, as this jumpstarts your metabolism and helps rehydrate your body after a night of sleep. Keep a bottle of water nearby throughout the day, and aim to drink at least 8 glasses, or more if you're exercising or in a warmer climate. Water is a natural appetite suppressant, too, and can help you avoid overeating by making you feel full between meals. Plus, sometimes what we think is hunger is actually just thirst in disguise. By staying hydrated, you're also helping your body perform better during workouts. Dehydration can lead to fatigue, muscle cramps, and even dizziness, which can make exercise feel harder than it should. Proper hydration improves endurance, reduces recovery time, and boosts your performance. It's a simple yet effective way to enhance your workouts and make your fitness routine easier to stick to. Water also plays a huge role in joint health. The more hydrated you are, the more your joints are lubricated, which reduces the chances of injury and helps you stay mobile. So, take the time to drink enough water throughout the day and reap the benefits of better energy, better performance, and better recovery. 4. Consistent sleep hygiene. If you're working out hard and eating well, but still not getting enough sleep, your progress will be limited. Sleep hygiene is just as important as your exercise routine because it's during sleep that your body repairs muscles, burns fat, and recovers. When you don't sleep enough or follow poor sleep habits, it can interfere with your hormones and metabolism, leading to weight gain and fatigue. To build a better sleep routine, aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night, and try to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day. Create a relaxing bedtime routine, free from screens, caffeine, or heavy meals, and make your bedroom a sanctuary for rest, cool, dark, and quiet. A consistent sleep schedule is essential for keeping your body's internal clock in sync, ensuring that you wake up feeling refreshed and energized. Sleep is crucial for muscle recovery, too. After a tough workout, your muscles need time to repair and rebuild, and this happens mostly during deep sleep. Additionally, a good night's rest helps regulate hormones that control hunger and appetite. This means that when you sleep well, you're less likely to experience cravings for unhealthy foods or overeat. Your immune system also benefits from proper sleep, making it easier to fight off illnesses and stay on track with your fitness goals. When you maintain a solid sleep routine, you'll see improvements in your mood, energy levels, and overall well-being, making it much easier to keep up with your fitness habits and perform at your best during workouts. 5. Mindful eating and meal planning. The final habit for long-term fitness is mindful eating. It's easy to grab fast food or snack on unhealthy treats when you're hungry, but planning your meals ahead of time can help you stay on track with your nutrition goals. Meal planning ensures that you have healthy, well-balanced meals ready to go, so you're not tempted by unhealthy options. A key part of this habit is eating mindfully. Take time to enjoy your food, chew thoroughly, and listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues. By paying attention to what you eat and how much, you'll avoid overeating or making unhealthy food choices. It also helps you savor your food more and enjoy your meals without guilt. Meal prepping for the week ahead is a great way to stay consistent with your eating habits. Plan your meals to include high-fiber foods, lean proteins, and plenty of vegetables. This combination helps stabilize your blood sugar, keeping your energy levels steady throughout the day. Additionally, eating high-fiber foods and lean proteins supports muscle recovery and helps control your calorie intake, which is important for weight management. By planning your meals and eating mindfully, you create a sustainable approach to nutrition that supports your fitness goals. You'll be more in control of what you're putting into your body, and it will be easier to stay on track with your long-term health goals. This habit not only improves your physical health but also enhances your mental well-being, helping you develop a healthy relationship with food. There you have it, 5 daily fitness habits that actually work to improve your health, energy, and fitness over time. These habits may seem small, but when practiced consistently, they lead to lasting results that make a big difference in how you feel and look. Whether it's daily movement, strength training, proper hydration, consistent sleep hygiene, or mindful eating, these habits are easy to incorporate into your life without drastic changes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more practical fitness tips and advice. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy, stay active, and keep working on becoming the best version of yourself.